So in this video, I'm going to discuss leading intervals a little bit. And what leading intervals are a difference between the activation of the walk signal and the green light for cars. Cars in the United States are able to take right turns on red. So one of the things traditionally has happened is that the green light for cars as well as the crossing for pedestrians and cyclists will activate at the same time. But this puts pedestrians and cyclists into the intersection right when drivers are turning right. So what modern engineers have done is they've created a leading pedestrian or cyclist interval where cyclists and pedestrians get the green light about 5 seconds earlier, and that allows them to establish themselves in the intersection. Well, here in Plano, the green light activates about 7 seconds earlier for the drivers than it does for the pedestrians or cyclists. That is, in my opinion, a dangerous situation because it gives all the drivers momentum turning, and then the cyclist or the pedestrian has to move into the crossing. You can see it here from the other side. Cyclist here is waiting. There's a green light for the cars, but the cyclist has to wait. The person in the white truck is wondering if they should go or not, and then the cyclist gets the green light, hoping that there's not going to be another car right behind them who's going to take a right turn and right hook them. Now, we'll see it again the next day in another situation. As you can see here, cars taking a right turn on a red light, which is something that's allowed in the United States and gives rise to lots of injuries. We're waiting for the green light here for the drivers, and it occurs right now. There's nobody turning right now, and the cyclist could establish himself in the crossing, but he doesn't. Now he's got the green light, but there's a large truck that thankfully both of us stop and see each other and avoid a right hook. Here's another circumstance where there is a line of cars waiting to take a right. They get the green light, and several of them are going. The cyclist is waiting for the crossing interval. Then it goes, but there's cars that are already turning. Again, everybody has to be very vigilant, and drivers as well as pedestrians or cyclists are surprised by the situation.
It's ridiculous.
It's a bad setup.